Yeah, what's up guys? Maki Guitar is back with another episode of Lesson. Okay? Yo, welcome back to this channel. Like I said, I want to shout out a very big thanks to my new subscribers and my those subscribers. Thank you for tuning to this channel. Okay? So for today, I just want to make the breakdown of the Soukous Makossa Rythm I played in my previous video. Before then, I would like you to, before watching this video, I would like you to smash the like button. Okay, just type on the comment section very good. Okay, just type, it doesn't take you up to 3 seconds. Just type on the comment section very good, good playing, nice playing, anyone. Okay, it won't take you up to 3 seconds. The reason being, Facebook or YouTube going to take this video to so many people that want to learn, and that so many people that are going to, that are interested about the video. Okay, so please just drop a comment. It will take you up to 3 seconds. I will really appreciate seeing all your comments. Alright, thank you very much guys for watching. And if you know that this is the first time you're watching me on this platform, okay, hit the subscribe button. Okay, you're going to learn more on this channel. Alright guys, so before then, I just want you to listen to the video how I play it part by part so that you can understand, okay, what I'm trying to say here. Okay? Alright guys, so I was playing the key of F. First part I was playing there was okay, so I was playing. So let me bring this close down so you can see my fingers very clear. Okay. Do, mi, fa, mi, re, do. Do, mi, fa, mi, re, do, la, ti, si, so, so. Okay, or you can play. Now I play the second part is so, ti, la, so, fa, mi. Okay. So, ti, la, so, fa, mi. Do, mi, fa, mi, re, do, la, ti, 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 so, so. So, ti, la, so, fa, mi. Okay, the second part and I play. Okay. Mi so remind me. That is, I'm using my double stop, which is the double string. Okay. Mi so remind me. So you need to learn your double strings. I think I made the video about double strings on part of my videos. Okay. So re mi la so. So you need to learn your double string very well, okay? So and I play, mi so re mi la ti 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 so. Okay, so ti do ti la so fa mi, so ti do ti la so fa mi, so ti do ti la so fa mi. Okay, and I play. And I pick that scale again. So mi vary, okay. So mi vary, okay. I pick it from down this time around. The first one was this time around is okay. Okay, so now the third part of it I play was so I played okay. Okay. And I hold a vowel chord. When I hold a vowel chord like this on this shape, slide from my La to T, okay. So I now hold this shape, this Do shape, this F. Va, So, Do, okay. I believe you know, most of you know this shape, okay. So now I play. So when I strum the first chord, okay, I strum from the Do, okay, Do, okay, Va, Do, I play a Va, okay, go to So, okay, now pick from down again. Okay, I go to my so now I play something like me. Okay, so I play stuff like that. So and many others, you just got to listen to the video more and more, so that you can understand the shape and how I improvise on it very well. Okay, so you're gonna follow along with me. Okay, so wherever you don't understand, you can hit it on the comment section. Okay, I will give you the reply as soon as possible. Okay.